Here is David, Dave the Beaver or DTB, whatever. I'm driving this Solartrike, that's the one around the world for 42,000 kilometers so far. Now we're left, that's me and the trike. We left Drumheller, you see a little bit in the behind, or here, the scenery. Just made this huge climb up this hill, or up to the highlands, or whatever they call it here. And now I'm making my way to Edmonton in some steps, but we are now going 100k to Stettler. I don't know if I will reach that today, we will see, because it was shitty weather yesterday, it rained all day, all my gear was wet like an ocean, and yeah, so that needs a little bit time to prepare to get it all up, all loaded again, and yeah, so we're on the way, we will see what we can see. I make a huge mistake again. I choose this gravel road, 7k's until monsoon, monsoon, and that's a shitty idea. Oh my gosh, I don't know why that could happen. Komoot says that was paved. I don't know, that's not paved at all. Oh my shoot! So only a little bit is paved. The big part was not paved, and they just mark it. It's even marked on my map that the whole stretch will be paved. Oh my gosh! We just left Munson, or whatever they called that village, and now it's going up to highway number 56 to Stettler, another 88 kilometers. Very communicative. Against the wind, I'm running against the wind. I'm still running against the wind. So 2 kilometers to Stettler, I don't see anything, just farmland, 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 nothing, nothing, nothing. And in 2 kilometers this town should be, I don't know how small that is or where they put that. But finally we made it, somehow. If we find it, yeah. See, I found a city or a town or whatever that calls. It even has an airport, Stettler Airport. Okay. So, but we don't want to have the airport. We are looking for the campground. Good morning, folks! So here is David again, Dave the Beaver, or DTB in short, or whatever. I'm still on the way with my Solartrike, 42,000 kilometers so far. Solartrike, that's the trike with it's a recumbent trike from azub in Czech Republic made, and I have solar panels on the back to charge the batteries. Yeah, now we're still on the way to Edmonton, or near Edmonton. I just left Stettler this morning and now I'm back on 56 again. Yeah, it continues like it ended yesterday or 2 days before. Oh, there's a key on the back. Oh, someone lost his key. Here it is. If you see my video. Yeah, so it will continuing straight ahead. Yeah, it's not very interesting in this kind. We will see what we can find on the way. Bloody rumble strip! I don't like the rumble strips! So now I have enough of 56, so I turned left to highway number 53. And I will go to Bashaw, 19 kilometers. So we will see us in Bashaw or on the way, I don't know. Chain broken, no worries. Just put these two together, put it in the holes and lock it. As no worries. That's very easy, so easy. Just like that, and then it locks. So easy, so easy, so very easy. So just put it in here, and put it here in the holes and then lock. So easy until you want to make it and then it doesn't work, because it's easy, then it's not gonna work. So that was Bashaw. My chain, my broken chain. I hope that chain can just be fixed like that until, I don't know, 100 k's or so, and then I will replace it, but not before. We're driving on, it's always past noon. I haven't eaten because my chain wanted to have more attention. Now I'm hungry, and I don't find anything to sit. They don't have any bench or whatever. So I will just drive a little bit out of Bashaw and find some place where I can eat my lunch, finally. So I finally ate my lunch. Now I'm in a better mood. I also looped my chain, so it's greasy again. And I hope that will bring me down, up or down, whatever, the streets to Leduc, just near Edmonton, and then I will replace some things. Now we're back on the street Now I follow the highway number 21. Yeah, that is the number 21 that goes north or south, wherever. I will go north now, and maybe next spring I will go the same again, south. So we will see. Bye bye. We're still going on because Ferintosh campground on the Beaver Lake was full, and we'll just try the next town, New Norway or whatever it calls, and I guess it's full again as well because it's a long weekend, I don't know, national holiday or something like that. They celebrate Canada Day 3 times a year or something like that, I don't know. Yeah, so it's beautiful weather, everybody is going out to camping, and every campground is full. So I will see where I will spend the night. Maybe I will just ride and 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 ride. Oh, I finally made it to New Norway, and the worry is for nothing because this campsite is empty. It's not even one here. It's just empty.
Back off the